Hello, thank you for joining me. So chatting about having a little walk, little forage, this type of bits, maybe even a little wild swim. And I've just came across these little chanterelles, so I'm gonna forage these up and yeah, let's see what else we can find. Some King Alfred scakes, lovely little fire starter. Fields of gold. Oh, look at that bad boy. Loads down the side there. Gonna have us a little forageroo here. We'll collect these bad boys up. Tying across the river. Yeah, got across, but I did take a little tumble. Oh well, we're gonna get wet in a minute anyway. Yeah, got some more baby shunts there growing. Couple in there I'll pluck out. They look a little bit bigger. Take the bigger ones, leave the little ones to spawn up. Oh la la. Another cheeky crosseroo. So we'll finish off just seeing what we got. Got a load of those King Alfred's cakes there, so we'll put them in there. We'll take them camping next. Lovely little fire starter. And we've got all those lovely shanties in there. And yeah, nice and refreshed from an absolutely delightful little river swim. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.